Situated in India's southern state of Tamil Nadu is the VIT University, renowned for its international standard of technical education, management studies, and research facilities. VIT's main campus is located in the historic city of Vellore, a city that is centrally located between Bangalore, a city considered to be the Silicon Valley of South Asia, and Chennai, famous for its cultural heritage and modern manufacturing prowess, providing an ideal environment for both study and interaction with industry. It is at Chennai that the university's second campus is located. Founded in 1984 as Vellore Engineering College, the institute was conferred university status in recognition of its academic excellence in June 2001.
Last year, our admission itself has become a record. More than 2 lakh students appeared for the entrance examination, and Limca Book of Records has recognized it. We have introduced a number of reforms, innovation in the teaching learning process, like fully flexible credit system, project-based learning, program migration, studying one minor and one major, double major, etc. These are not easily available in other Indian universities. After completing Indian accreditation NAC, where we have been given A grade, we submitted 14 programs to ABET, the American accrediting agency, and all the 14 programs, both the campuses have been accredited, and it's a record. First and only university in India which has 14 programs accredited by ABET, which will be a great boon to our students, whoever goes to US or major countries of the world. And in placement, we have a Limca Book of Records. Last year, 5,828 offers in the first day. And this year, we have broken our own record. This is the kind of atmosphere, educational atmosphere, academic atmosphere, which is available in VIT. I would like to invite students for both VIT Vellore campus as well as Chennai campus.
The university, with its 2 campuses, 11 schools and interdisciplinary centers, offers 20 undergraduate and 29 postgraduate programs to over 29,000 students, nearly 1/3 of whom are women. The students come from every Indian state and also from 60 countries, giving the university a cosmopolitan atmosphere. The highly qualified faculty, over 1,400 strong, 1/3 of them PhD holders, well recognized and highly respected by their peers, is committed to creating a congenial, student-friendly environment. The university's unique, fully flexible credit system, FFCS for short, provides flexibility and freedom for the students to plan their courses as well as timings.
One of the main reasons why I like VIT, which kind of makes my friends back at home jealous, is the FFCS system that we have here, which is the fully flexible credit system. So as a result of this, we can choose our subjects, we can choose our teachers as well as our slots, which is something that most colleges in India right now do not have. So like people who are late risers can take afternoon slots, and people who want to get classes over with as soon as they can take morning slots and pick their teachers and all. And that's something I find really cool about this college.
VIT's infrastructure includes use of smart classrooms, EduSat and e-learning facilities to enable students to meet today's emerging global needs. VIT is fully conscious of the importance of collaborative efforts, both with other academic institutions as well as with leading industries. Numerous memoranda of understanding have been signed with leading universities around the world, as well as in India, to develop joint programs of international standards, promote research, and facilitate exchange of faculty and students. VIT has established a number of centers of excellence, some partly funded by government agencies like the Department of Science and Technology, to promote advanced research in high priority areas. It also has a Technology Business Incubator or TBI for promoting technopreneurs. The university offers state-of-the-art computing facility with campus-wide networks that enable students to keep abreast of the latest trends in software applications. Libraries really are the gates to the future. At VIT, we understand this perfectly. Both the campuses have centrally air-conditioned libraries with over 260,000 books, about 28,000 back volumes of scientific and technical periodicals, 19,000 CDs, over 500 specialized Indian and foreign technical journals, and access to over 13,000 online journals and 110,000 plus e-books. Campus interviews are an integral part of every final year student's life at VIT. Top Indian as well as multinational companies visit the campus regularly to pick up bright VITians for the best jobs available in industry. All efforts are made at VIT to provide every possible amenity to students on campus. The Linguistics Lab has state-of-the-art tutorials for students wishing to improve their English language skills. The spotlessly clean hostels provide hygienic food and comfortable surroundings for students. 19 men's hostels and 7 women's hostels accommodate over 21,000 students in single, double, 4 and 6-bedded rooms. Air-conditioned rooms are also available. To ensure student and staff comfort, the campuses offer other important facilities such as canteen, food court serving multi-cuisine food, shopping centre, and banks along with a number of ATMs. Much importance is given to holistic individual development at VIT. Students are encouraged to excel in sports and are provided top-class facilities that include many outdoor and indoor playgrounds, games courts, swimming pools built to international standards. Extracurricular activity is another area where VIT students have achieved high honors. VIT has 51 students' clubs, including a music club, a dance club, and a trekking club.
The reason I chose VIT is because VIT lets you be who you want to be. We have really friendly teachers who help us out in whatever we want, so be it research or anything like that, we have people who we can approach. And even extracurricular activities, we have loads of clubs and chapters. Even the sporting arena in VIT is really nice. We have basketball courts, football courts, and amazing coaches who help us out in every field, and that's why I love VIT.
VIT, a place to learn, a chance to grow.